How to chat with TikTok AI. Hello everyone, welcome to TikTok. TikTok has launched its own new AI and it's similar to ChatGPT and Gemini. You can ask questions to the AI and AI will simply answer your questions. So let's get straight into the video. So firstly, make sure you have TikTok app on your device. So open TikTok. Now in middle right hand side of your screen, you can see this chat icon. So tap on it. So this will lead you to the conversation with TikTok AI. The AI is named TikTok Tako. Now you can simply ask your queries to TikTok Tako. So on bottom of your screen, you can see this icon, send a message. So tap on it. Now ask any question. Here, let me type, suggest me some content ideas. So after typing in your queries, click on this send icon. And then within a second, TikTok will answer your question. Likewise, you can ask whatever you want. This is how you use TikTok AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.